Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and give us a follow. Ooh, well, not much rain last 24 hours. It's always the same here. They'll say like, oh, 30% chance, and you get nothing. It's a good thing I gave the plants a bit of water yesterday. It's the end of the growing season. These tomatoes are really just for the critters. Look, that just come right off of my hand, eh? They're just vine ripened. Let's go put this down. I'll put it in my pocket for now. These are all vine ripened as well, except for the ones the critters have been eating. And the peppers, as you would have seen in the video yesterday that I inserted from the canning from the day before, the peppers are coming in really handy for that. And our backyard sunflower. It's not opening yet, but it might do it today. I'm not seeing any yellow. Maybe not. Yeah, it was down to 14 last night. There's a couple of days. It's going to be overnight low of 10. Yeah. Not single digits yet, but it's getting there. Early fall indeed. And here we are, the third week of August. With bumblebees, they are still doing their job. Any zucchinis down here? No. How about down here? Nothing. But over here, mutual flowers. Vine. Nope. And the other extending vine. Oh, we got one started. Well, the soil has a lot of food in it, so these vines are just going to keep growing. It's all right to let them grow down the flagstone path. What I've expected would happen near the end of the growing season. You can only stake them up so high. If you don't grab these ahead of time to try to coax them up into the lattice, then that's where they're going to go. Problem is though, you got to move them. They're so easy to, you have to be very careful, and then you can snap them, and then it's like, well, just so delicate at times. Now, any new zucchinis? Oh yes, look at you. Perfectamundo. Two of them right here. One there. We'll take this one too. Oop. There you go. Got somebody vacuuming in his garage. Oh, I see another zucchini. I'll let this one grow a little bit, but the other one's bigger. There you are. Oh. Oh yeah. Perfect. That's a perfect zucchini right there. Yeah. Our basil, still bolting, hasn't gone to seed yet. Maybe that's what we'll have tonight. Eh? Some aglio olio. Get some nice basil on it to go with the fried beans. Yes, picked up a few yesterday. And there was enough to fry up for supper, but I'm still eating the stew from 3 days ago. I'm very impressed with the with these beans. These bush beans here, they are doing well. They're doing far better than the green pole beans I put in. Now, I don't know if they're just genetically crowding them out. But even competing for the growth in the spring when I planted them, for some reason the pole beans just were not coming up this year. Well, they were coming up and dying, or being eaten. Maybe they're just too tasty for the critters. Well, our potatoes, wow, the plants seem to be rejuvenating, getting a little more life in this cool weather. Got some sand in my shoe. There we go. Well, he's going fine here in the potato box. And our giant kale. I didn't get the third post up. Try to keep this thing from flopping around. It's just too top heavy. Top heavy and healthy. All that kale. Wow, the onions. The onions like the cold weather better. That's quite the growth spurt from yesterday. I don't recall these being this high. Wow. So I got the onions that I planted, and then there's the onions that started from seed. And they're just not growing. They just go to seed automatically. That's strange. Now any other squash box. Okay. Probably were zucchini that I should have picked. We have the end of the season. Yeah, so this poor little fella, might as well just pick him. He's not going to grow anymore. He's basically just become a decorative gourd, really. I'll put him down as well. Now we can finally start to see the giant squash. I'm hoping that's one of them giant seasonal squashes that I grew 3 years ago, and not just a zucchini that I let go out of control. But we will find out when we go to cook it. And it's not like we didn't manage to grow some other squashes, but we can see all the plants are all the leaves are coming to the end. These overnight lows are just not going to be conducive for much more growing. Wow, look at this. Even this, I've never seen a spaghetti squash do this. Very strange. Let's see. Oh yeah, that was probably a zucchini. That big green long thing you can see right there. See if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, missed you. Well, if I do this again next year, I'm gonna have to get better control over what's growing where. The squashes that I've allowed to grow to gigantic size, I mean zucchinis that I've allowed to grow to gigantic size, are just sapping nutrients. And what are you gonna do with them? Make furniture? As they get so woody. Yeah, look at this. The vine just decided, yeah, we're done. Done like dinner. All right, let's go have a look at Butch in the front, along with his companions, and see how they are doing. Well, straight to the lavender. those flower ends smell so wonderful. Well, let's look here at our pumpkin. Good, it continues to grow. Perfect spot too. Except for those bite marks out of it by the critters. And our sunflower. So let's go in and have a look. How are we doing? Oh, look at that, eh? Well, and our zucchini plant. Oh, what's going on here? Floppy leaf. Any new zucchinis? No, they're all just rotting on the vine, not getting pollinated. There's still that weird one that never cut away. I'll let that rot into the soil. And Butch, look at you, Butch. Just flowers everywhere. Flowers a go-go. And how are we doing back there? Yeah, again, this plant started getting floppy leafed yesterday afternoon. It's having a hard time getting water to itself from the regrown roots. Well, it looks like the morning glories are leaving plants alone. They continue to leave the bottom of the sunflower alone. Oh, wait, what's going on here? Ah, thought so. Another one climbing. Yeah, there you go. Oh, from the other side. There we go. There's plenty of morning glory plant all over here. Just look at it. Just fantastic. And the other side. These morning glory vines are very ropey. I wonder if you could make furniture out of it. It dries into like hard wicker, but a little brittle, so I guess you'd have to shellac it. Interesting though, maybe I'll look that up. Not that I'm making furniture out of morning glory plants. I got better things to do with my time, and I don't have that kind of workshop. And if you have hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.